Hey, family, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know what it is. It's M World Entertainment. I'm staying out here at the Royalton Splash, Punta Cana. I'm about to take you guys on a quick pool tour. Check out the different pools they have here, and we're gonna also check out the water park. Let's go. Okay, we got a pool and bar, pull up bubbles. Right here, let me get a good look at it. Nice, nice. We got other side, got a pool over here. Nice size pool. We got a pool with the jacuzzi in the middle. We also have a small wading pool right here. You just want to chill, relax, refresh your body at a small wading pool. All right, we have another pool and bar right here. Got a jacuzzi on that side. We playing chess, not checkers. Over here we have another small wading pool. Okay, guys, here we are at the miniature water park we have at the resort. And they got the water slides for the small kids area. I like this right here, it get really wavy. Then they got the slides. Those slides. Okay, guys, if you like the pool videos, give the video a thumbs up, tell a friend, and please subscribe. I'm about to get in the water and just relax. Now this one is just all tube, and then you come out the bottom right